Today we're going to show you how to create a preset. Hi, I'm Clim and this is Clean Film. First, let's explain what a preset is. A preset is a series of adjustments or effects that you apply to a layer. It could be color correction, contrast, curves, blurs, key light. All of that which remains in the adjustment panel you can save as a preset to use on a layer later on. Let's look at an example. In this scene we've made a series of changes. We've changed things, we've done color correction, curves, tinting, blurs, several things that we have in this panel here. If we want to use those adjustments for another layer or for a future project, that's when it's useful to create a preset. And I made it all up. You can't do it like this. If we want to take all those parameters and copy them to another layer, yes, you have the option to select them all, Ctrl+C, copy, paste. But if what you want is to use them for a future project, that's when it's convenient to make a preset. We'll save it as follows. We can click on one and then use Ctrl+A to select them all. Then to save it, we have to go to the Animation tab and click where it says Save Animation Preset. Of course I said it right. We choose the name we want to save the preset with and save it. And that's it. Now let's see how to load that preset. To load the preset in another project, we open the project, choose the layer where we want to apply it, and in the Animation tab we have the option to load presets. There we choose the option we want, the preset we've made, and that way it loads all the parameters for us. Subscribe to stay up to date with all our tutorials. I love you. And here's a video. A hug. This is the Freya.